What if there was a way to simplify your office technology that could completely eliminate the need to ever purchase and maintain expensive, complex equipment ever again? What would it be like if you could just pay for the technology you used each and every month and freed your employees to work from anywhere on any device? Imagine never having to worry about a fire, flood, or natural disaster destroying your critical business data or disrupting your ability to work. Imagine never having to purchase another server or endure an expensive network upgrade ever again. Well, imagine no more. With cloud computing, millions of businesses are trading in their old on-site computer networks for the simplicity, lower costs, and flexibility of the cloud. Moving from your on-site server to the cloud is a lot like the change businesses made in the 1800s with electricity. Businesses had to build their own generators to power their factories. This was expensive and time-consuming, but it was their only option. But then utilities came along, and businesses no longer had to incur the cost or lost time of generating their own power. All they had to do was plug in, and business was running. The same revolution is happening now with cloud computing. While once you were forced to maintain your own server on-site, now you can just plug into the internet and everything's there. No need for a server or a huge IT department. That means the cost of the software, hardware, installation, and maintenance go away, saving you big. And because all applications and data are stored on a supercomputer in the cloud, you can use inexpensive devices and basic workstations for employees, cutting more costs and allowing you to access email and files from anywhere on any device. For a fraction of the cost, we can deliver cloud services as a total solution that includes applications, services, backup, security, and support. Or a la carte, delivering only the services you need or want. Plus, you only have to pay for what you use. Spin it up or down based on your business's needs. And the great thing is, it doesn't need to be all or nothing. We can easily take pieces of your network like email, your data backup, or a file server and put it in the cloud to save you money and give you greater flexibility while maintaining other pieces of your network on site. And since we're a local business, if anything does go wrong, you'll get fast, friendly service from real people you know, instead of dealing with nameless faces and call centers thousands of miles away. With cloud computing, there is no one-size-fits-all. If you're interested in seeing if the cloud is right for you, we can help with a free, no pressure, no obligation cloud readiness assessment.